Guys, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of our newest videos. Hey guys, this is FuroCubing and today we're gonna review this Valk Power 3. So let's get started. Starting with the review, I've got the Valk down here and this comes in a packaging like this. It's a black box with Valk 3 written on it, and it's not a diagram, it's just a pic, it's an icon. The Valk branding down here, and here you have the Chihi Toys branding, something written in Chinese, some warning sign I can tell you, and it's the Cube Lilo sticker which tells you it's a Chihi Valk 3x3, the third, and the MRP written here is the 2000 rupee MRP, but actually it's there in cubelelo.com for rupees 1299. I bought it at that price. So let's open this box to see what comes. So I'll tell you, the packaging is very nice. This cardboard packaging, you can see that it's made of cardboard, and it's quite a very premium packaging. So we got this extra set of Cube Lelo stickers. This is full price stickers, 600 rupees MRP, and I can't see this is flipped, inverted. Along with this is a very popular content of the Valk 3 or the Valk 3 Power Amp. Look at it. So this kind of a pocket set of stickers and cards. Have a look at it. So here we have the Valk 3 card, and the sticker of a Valk 3. I've used it already. And this is Valk, and so some paperwork. Hi everyone, my name is Valk. I broke the Rubik's Cube world record, etc, etc. So this is the solution QR code, not the manual as we see in other cubes. So this will actually lead you to the Chihi Mofange website, where there's a video by Valk about how to solve a 3x3 with OLL and PLL. Look at this, there's an introduction video. This will also lead you to the Mofange website. And other than that, there's nothing. I'll tell you, this box is a bit tight, but the packaging is very premium, very prior, and I'll move all of this aside, and I'll go on to the cube. Yeah. So here we got the Valk 3, guys. Look at this. So very smooth, not lubed at all, not at all lubed. It's not lubed by Cube Lelo. So look at this, it's so fast, I can't tell you guys. And if we look at the size, it is like this, and it's equal, almost equal, yeah, but the A-Long V2 is a millimeter tall, a millimeter big. So and let's get on to the color shades. So if we have a look at this, the Moyu A-Long V2 has a bit of lighter shades, a bit faded yellow shades. And if we have a look at this Valk 3, you can see that a brighter shade of colors, a more vibrant shade of blue, and a darker shade of blue. White remains same, obviously, And here on the cube is the Valk branding in diagonal position. And other than that, if we look at the piece shape, you can see that these edge pieces are curved, and as you can see in the diagram, these corner pieces are not curved. These are normal common corner pieces. And if we look at the more you A along, here it is. You can see the corner pieces are also bent. That actually helps in the corner cutting, but look at this. At the limit it goes quite well, not very bad. And look at this. Yes, it does stuck at some point of time, but yeah, it's actually a good cube. So if you're speed cubing, it's like we don't get stuck very often here. Coming back to the shape, yeah, so the center piece is curved, it's normal, but as I can see, the sticker size is very big, and these kind of shape of pieces that you can see in the Valk 3 can also be seen in GAN's cubes these days, just like the GAN 356R, the 356 SM, UM, Master Edition, these cubes, then 356 Air SM 2019 edition, that's also a new cube you can see. And I'll go back to cubing and the speed cubing basically. So I'll just show you some samples. So it's quite fast. Look at this. It's going at a length, and other than that, the speed is good, but yes, at some point of time it's not unique at all. Yeah, it's just like the V-long, it's like that, but you feel like it's a bit more silicon, a bit more looped. That's the difference between the V-long and this Valk 3. So coming forward to price specifications, this comes at 1,299. So I don't think this cube should be of 1,299. It's actually overpriced a bit. It could be 999 or something like that. But what I feel is that at this point of price, you could be getting a better quality of cube. And if you look at the Valk 3 Power M, it's a lot expensive than Valk 3. You also have to notice that. And I don't actually recommend this cube to you. I only recommend it to you if you like Tihi, you like Valk, you want to have a Valk collection, or you're a Max Valk fan. Then only I'll give it to you or recommend it to you. So basically, this cube is good. That's all for the review. I think overall I'll rate it around 8, maybe 8.5 and 10. It's especially for its speed. I'll tell you, the speed is very nice. It's so fluent. The speed is so fluent. I can't tell you. It's unbelievable. It's incredible. So that's all for the review. This is the walkthrough.